I'm just look at that. Look at this. What the hell is this?
Okay, hold on. This is my very first time doing a slick hair, and I bought myself a very first slick hair set, and we are going to transform into this.
Seriously, girl, this is where we are at. Not in the mood to wash hair. Let's begin. I'm using this. Never used no hair wax before. Is it right in the center? We can totally do this. Like, what I've seen is over here they part a little, and then from here you go all the way up like that. Ooh, I'm gonna tie it one, and I'm going to just tie this up here. This is how it's looking. I think it's time. For the first time ever, I'm gonna use this thing. Let's try. Life changing. This is freaking sleek, man. I don't know, but I feel like an Indian Kendall Jenner. Just kidding. So let's start off with skincare. I'm using the Sephora one. Love this one. I think it's just like so travel friendly, and it's so lightweight. You can just throw it in your bag. I've been loving this. So buttery. I'm going to use ultraviolet SPF 50. You'll see the glow is real. It's my favorite SPF. Okay, so we're gonna go on with the concealer. This is what I do these days. It's just so quick and easy. And then I put a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's one shade dark. I use this Rare Beauty brush. I do not regret purchasing this one bit. It feels like I'm painting my face. Because of this bridge, you see this? Just fit really nicely under my eyes. Let's try on this one. The Nude Sticks SPF blush that I currently, what fuck, this is a lot. I know that much because I tried this. I'm just gonna do a little on my lips since I picked up too much product. Let's get blending. And it has an SPF too, SPF 30. I think it's good for summers. Let's powder up just the T-zone. This is Charlotte Tilbury. It really does make you look flawless. I put this under my eye too. I am going to be bronzing up here. Actually, I feel that if you bronze before you put blush on, it works better, but I keep forgetting. Now, my favorite cute little Rare Beauty blush on. I just kind of put it here, so it makes it look glowy. Look at that. For the eyebrows, I'm using this Sephora brow gel. Love it. It's running out, so I think I'm going to be waiting for the next sale, man. I grabbed this Super Goop mineral sunscreen. I love it. It was 40% discount, and this is what you do. Ooh. Wow, man, this is so quick and easy for summers. Oh my god, look at that. Almost like magic. The lip liner that I've been loving is by MAC. I'm just gonna be dabbing a little bit of Nude Stick blush, applying a little bit more. Oh, I think it looks great. A technique that I saw someone put on Instagram when they were promoting this blush on, lightly just brush this on your lips. It is pretty. Look. It is nice. I look really, really tanned. Oh my god, 14 minutes. What am I saying? What am I doing? Going a little bit with the eyeshadow. So I just recently got a lash lift. It's been like 3 months, not recently. It's been 3 months, but I think it's like a game changer. I was really afraid because I feel like really claustrophobic when I have to lie on the bed and let someone do something to my eye, because I used to get eyelash extensions. It was such a discomfort, and I just kept on telling her, like, I'm so scared. You think it's safe enough? She says that I'm just gonna be telling you each and every step that we take. I'm gonna be telling you so you were like less scared. And that helped so much, and by the end of it I loved it. This Dew Tint from Amuse. I exchanged 100 points for this. I really like it. I love this too. This is an eyeliner from Sephora. Actually, there is like a little thing that you can use to smudge it out. I think I'm gonna do down part too, just like a little bit. How's it? Something that's gonna totally change the look is this mascara from YSL. This is what I mean once you get the extension. This has already been 3 months, but it just lifts. Do you see the difference? I don't know if you see the difference, but yeah, it just lifts. I'm done with my makeup. My hair is still sleeked. I've never really had this hairstyle, like, ever.